What is it? God, I'm so jet lagged. Welcome to sunny, strangely sunny suburban London in February. So it's a strange situation. Sounds like an Elton John song. Anyway, flew back from Sri Lanka, 22 hours in transit. Managed to get a whole 24 hours at home in my parents' house, in which to try to wash the surf wax out of my clothes, get repacked, and now you can see I have all my worldly possessions minus my guitar in a bag and heading back to the USA finally. So yeah, got another long day. I can't say I'm looking forward to it. I didn't realize how long the flight was. So I've got flight Norwegian to Fort Lauderdale this afternoon. Yeah, so Norwegian to Fort Lauderdale, and then I've got hopefully got somewhere to stay tonight, and I will see y'all in the boat show tomorrow. But yeah, it's different. I've kind of back to thermal jackets and socks and shoes, when realistically, and I know that half of you go, oh, stop whinging. I hate wearing shoes and socks. Wasn't meant to wear shoes and socks. Anyways, there you go. That's where I am, that's what I'm doing. I will catch you all later. Hello.
How are you?
You don't get what nice hat.
17J.
17J. Thank you. So another day, another city. Yesterday I was in London. This morning I've woken up in what appears to be Miami. Now Miami to me was always Miami Vice, so not quite sure what to expect from this place. Anyway, crazy jet lag. So I've just flown out of Sri Lanka. There's a 10-hour time difference. It's 8 in the morning, therefore it's 4 in the afternoon. I woke up in the middle of the night because I was just so hungry, and I'm staying in an Airbnb, which basically means that there's no access to food, so I couldn't go raiding their fridge. Anyway, found a place, S&S Diner, which apparently is going to provide me with an amazing breakfast, according to Dr. Google. Anyway, breakfast, boat show. There you go. So, pay all this. I'm so of all the things at the boat show I wanted to see, like there were no boats, but the one thing I do want is one of these. I'm no Casey, but I'm gonna have a chat with this guy afterwards. So two things. Number one, if I'm not sailing next week, it's because I've my head doing this, but let's just have a little go. And yeah, So hold this down.
Click it down and pull forward. You're off. It's over. Higher speed?
No.
No.
I gotta go sailing next week, but that's they're f***ing awesome.
Dude, they're great for commuting too, man.
Is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head.
So after, I'm so tired. I fell asleep on the plane, I fell asleep in the airport, I fell asleep in the Uber. Anyway, after 3 days in transit, had an amazing time at the boat show, an amazing time. I'm finally back and able to see my girl, my Ruby Rose. So there she is. So yeah, I now have firstly I've got to get some sleep, and then tomorrow starts the process of getting, I'm just trying to get some light, starts the process of getting this boat ready to sail again. So no more tea lights and fancy plates. We're back to fruit nets full of food and kind of stowing stuff for sailing. So I think I've got about a week left here, and in that week I have got a lot of things to do to get ready. So I'm going to get the boat open, I'm going to get into bed and hopefully sleep like a baby. And when I mean sleep like a baby, that doesn't mean wake up every 15 minutes screaming, having shit myself. I mean the original meaning of the word, sleep for 8 good hours, and then get up tomorrow and start getting ready for the next season. So anyway, see you in the morning.